Okay, I'm gonna end up like snipping my hair off, so maybe I'm gonna put the scissors down. I feel like Jade West from Victorious with her scissors. Okay. Anyway, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fun day. You know, if you're going through finals, that's rough. If you're on winter break, that's not as rough. So, you know, hopefully we're having some fun today. Anyway, let's just get into it. So today I'm making another aesthetic phone case DIY because everybody and their mother seemed to like the first one I made like almost a year ago, which is weird. But we're making another one, but this time I'm gonna do two different designs. So one is gonna be kind of like the other one, which I would recommend going to watch that video, but like,
it's kind of bad.
But that's okay. So that one I'm just gonna cut out some like pictures and stuff and like stick them into the phone case. And then the other one is I'm gonna paint the phone case. And you know, they're both gonna be really aesthetic and really nice to look at and visually pleasing. And then everyone's gonna be like,
where did you get your phone case?
And then you'll be like, I made it. I'm better than you. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't say that, please. I don't want to be liable for anyone getting mad at anybody else. Okay, let's just get started. So the first phone case we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting out these little sticker things that I made. So basically do this, just, I don't know, go on the internet and type in pictures of stuff that you like and then print them out. Then you're going to need a clear phone case, which I got from Amazon for like $5. So, and then scissors. I think we all know what scissors are. And then double-sided tape. So let's start by cutting the little pictures out so then we can stick them inside the phone case. So now that all of the little sticker type things that aren't really stickers have been cut out, now it's time to just tape them into the phone case, which is kind of self-explanatory, but you know, stick the little sticky things on the stickers and stick them in there, like so.
Let's do that.
Hooray. Boom, we have finished. You know, it took a little bit longer than expected. Very aesthetic, very visually pleasing, you know. Here's it up close. Well, isn't that lovely? Okay, now on to the next one. So the next aesthetic phone case that we're going to be making is I'm going to paint the inside of this one. And literally that's it. So, and this is weird because you have to like paint the little details on the outside first before you paint like, yeah, you'll just see what happens. Basically all you need for this one is acrylic paints, which I have. And I'm going to paint a little mountain scene on this with the sunset because I think that'll be really cute. So let's get painting.
Let's get painting.
Ooh, I am going crazy right now. Ta-da! Okay, you know, kind of messed up there, but other than that, it's painted. Just know that I'm not a great painter, but that's kind of unfortunate. And obviously, I'm like not putting my phone in this yet because it's still wet, and I don't really want to do that. But you know, if you're a good painter, I feel like this could turn out really well. I'm just not the best, but that's tragic. Here's an up close of this one. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a comment saying cool or say something different, whatever you want to. But thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. You know, always looking for new people to talk to and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Adios.